Okay, so I decided to make this video specifically for all of you who don't like bananas with brown spots. Okay? So, not a lot of people know this, but bananas with brown spots are typically the sweetest. They are sweeter when they have the brown spots on them and they're like, you know, ripe. You know, they're not underripe, they're not the green bananas. So, the difference between the like ripe bananas and underripe bananas are the underripe bananas, which are the green ones and like still a little bit yellow. You can eat them. I wouldn't suggest it, but you can eat them, and they typically, the green ones typically have less, like they're more starchy, so they have a less sugar content than the more ripe ones. So it causes your blood sugar to rise a lot slower than these would, if that's like a significant issue for you. But one reason why I specifically got all of the bananas that have the brown spots on them when I went to the market is because I am going to freeze them for my smoothies that I am making this week for my 21-day smoothie, raw essence smoothie detox challenge. So I'm going to show you all how I do that. I basically, some people, you know, they'll like freeze the whole thing. I have no desire to do that because I don't want to have to try to take the peel off once it's frozen. I'm going to unpeel them all, put them in my little Ziploc baggie and put them in the freezer. And I really love to freeze my bananas because I love the consistency that they give my smoothies and my smoothie bowls, especially because I'm going to be making a lot of smoothie bowls this week and taking you all through the journey with me. So let's get into it. Like, in order for me not to waste money, I feel as though it's so great to have the option and to have a blender to make my bananas into nice cream, vegan ice cream. It's really awesome. So instead of throwing away the bananas that are brown and spotty like this, because I know a lot of people don't like them, the better option is to go ahead and freeze them. Because like, even if they are spotty, most time when they're spotty, they are. So majority of the bananas that are spotty like this, they are still yellow on the inside. They aren't too soft. I personally recommend them when they are softer because that's when you get the best like consistency, especially when you are looking to blend them. But instead of like wasting the bananas and wasting your money, you can always freeze them. This is when they are the sweetest. So I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have about 6 bunches of bananas left. They'll last me throughout the week, but this is enough for me to freeze. They'll last me all of tomorrow for what I'm making. So thanks for watching this video. That's all you get today.